So in this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to make money online as a beginner. And you're not going to need any website to actually do this. This is all super easy to do, and in fact, we are going to use AI to do this. So you don't need to do anything yourself. AI is going to do everything for you. Now make sure you smash that like button, tap that bell notification. Let's get into this. So the first thing we are going to use for this is ChatGPT, and we are going to actually using ChatGPT throughout this method. Now this is very quick method. This video is going to be extremely quick because that is how easy this method is. Now I have ChatGPT open right here, and you can go ahead and just do it straight from the openai.com. And what you are going to do is we are going to ask ChatGPT for the best Instagram most popular quote niches. So what I am going to say is tell me the most popular Instagram quote niches. See what it gives us. It should give us a list of the most popular, and as I thought and was corrected. So this is what I am thinking in my mind, and it's going to be motivational quotes, self-love, mental health quotes, relationship quotes, funny quotes, and more. So it's going to give us some idea of what we actually are going to be going from here. And I'm going to take motivational quotes just because it is the most common one on Instagram. And the next step is we want to head over to Instagram and we want to go ahead and put search, and we want to put in motivational quotes. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on the motivational quotes here, and we are going to go ahead and find some channels that have motivational quotes or some profiles. Now what you want to do is you just want to search through and you want to find some that don't really have like crazy pictures like this one here is kind of not what we want. We don't want one like this. We want clean quotes, so like this one here. So I'm going to actually click on this one right here, and we want to go to the page and we want to go ahead and we want to take snapshots of the quotes. And I'll take a snapshot of the quote about 3 or 4 times from the same profile, and it's important that you do it from the same profile. So they all kind of look the same and everything like that. So as you can see here, 200,000 plus followers. So we know that this type of content actually works. Once you have your 3 or 4 photos ready to go, you want to go ahead and go to canva.com and you want to get yourself a Canva account now. So you will need to use the paid account or the pro version to do what we are going to do here. But there is a 30-day trial, so you can sign up for that 30-day trial to actually go ahead and get this done. But before we do this, we need to go back to ChatGPT and we need to do something else. We need to go ahead and upload our 3 or 4 photos. Now I am uploading my 3 photos right over here, and I did it. And I'm going to say ChatGPT, based on these images and quotes that I found on Instagram, give me a list of 100 quotes that are similar to the images that I have uploaded. So it's going to give us 100 quotes based on those images that we can go ahead and use. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and now go to this next step, and that is go over to canva.com and put an Instagram quotes, and you want to choose a template that you can use. You can do this, well, you can use a paid or a free one depending on what account you have. This one here, whatever template you want, what I would recommend you to is find one that has just a color at the back. So the next step is you want to go back to your Canva and you want to click on apps and bulk create. This is where you need the paid thing. But you can get a 30-day free trial, bulk create, and there will be an app that pops up called bulk create. And then you want to go enter data manually, and what you want to do is we want to get rid of this one and simply clear table, and we want to go ahead and put in all of the data that we created from ChatGPT. Now click done, and then you want to go ahead and click on the text, and you want to click connect data, and then click continue, and then go generate that 100 quotes. It's going to create 100 designs that we can then use these on the Instagram. And these are all the quotes from ChatGPT that we can then go ahead and use now. So we have now created all of these quotes that we can use. So what can we actually do with these? There's 2 things that we can do with this. But keep in mind, we just use ChatGPT to go ahead and easily bulk create all of this content. So it's limitless, it's endless on what you can really do with this stuff. So the first thing you can do is you can go ahead and you can create your own Instagram account and upload these quotes. So then you can go ahead and make money by putting stuff in the link here, like affiliate offers and something like that, or you can promote others' products on your Instagram account via stories, posts, reels, and make money online. And another thing you can do is you can actually sell these codes in bulk. If you go to Etsy.com, you can see that people are actually selling Instagram codes on Etsy in bulk. They are so easy to create. Like, look at this 1500 codes. How easy would it be to ask ChatGPT to create these codes and then use Canva to actually go ahead and make those codes for super easy way. So I literally just showed you how to do it, or you could use Fiverr, or you can sell code services as well. So, all right, guys, that's a great way you can go ahead and make money online right now, super easy using AI. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.